Now, Mr. Bachchan, before I go any further, I would really like you to recite a few lines of poetry or any form of literature that you have in your mind, from your memory.
Well, I'm fond of my father and his works, and I keep repeating some of his lines, which are always relevant in almost every situation. It's a poem on the rush of life, and you know how fast-paced our lives have become. It's called "जीवन की आपाधापी में" कि जीवन की आपाधापी में कब वक्त मिला कुछ देर कहीं पर बैठ, कभी ये सोच सकूं कि जो किया कहा माना उसमें क्या बुरा। जिस दिन मेरी चेतना जगी मैंने देखा मैं खड़ा हुआ हूं इस दुनिया के मेले में, हर एक यहां पर एक भुलावे में भूला, हर एक लगा है अपनी अपनी तेले में। कुछ देर रहा हक्का बक्का पहुंचक्का सा, आ गया कहां क्या करूं यहां, जाऊं किस जान, फिर एक तरफ से आया ही तो धक्का सा, मैंने भी बहना शुरू किया इस रेले में। This is written in the 50s, but you know I find it so relevant in today's times. Jeevan ki apadhapi meena, life and this rush of life. Have we ever pondered to sit and think what we thought, what we said, and what we did? What was good about it and what was bad about it? And we're all standing in this mela of life, wondering where to go, what to do, and suddenly you'll get pushed in some direction and you just start flowing with the tide. I think it's so apt in our lives today. You know, life is moving so rapidly, and you know the communication has become fast, and you know you're here today, you'll be in a couple of hours, you'll be back in Delhi. It's we never have time to really think, what have I done today? Did I do something credible, or did I register something that went into my mind? But you know, tomorrow or the instant you land, perhaps you'll be on to another assignment, and this whole conversation will be forgotten, and you know, until you actually see the rush. It's okay, I did this, and put it on air. I'm going somewhere else. It's a very fast-paced life that has become.
Yeah, absolutely. And like you're saying that in your generation, that was not entirely true. Like, you know, you held on to things. You sat and thought about what is life, where is it going. I see what we've lost.
Right.
What have we gained, do you think, this generation?
Yeah, see, I don't blame the generation. I don't even blame anything. I just feel that our pace of life has become so rapid and fast because of certain advancements that science and technology and the world itself is facing every day. We used to take a week to book a call to New York. And then, you know, we were told, sorry, the lines are not through, you can't get through. But now, you know, I can sit here and talk to any part of the world. I can communicate with any of my fans through Twitter or blog or Vogue or Facebook, whatever it is. It's become so quick. Whatever is happening in any other part of the world, you come to see through 400 channels in your country. You want to keep pace with it. And that has pace.
Is this a good thing?
I don't know whether it's good or bad. But what I'm trying to say is that we never had these facilities earlier on. So we had enough time to sit and think and perhaps get moody and get lyrical and create melody and, you know, have time to spend in front of a camera where there were beautiful lines to be spoken. Today's generation doesn't have the patience to sit through a paragraph of words that the artist is speaking. Yeah, we got what you're trying to say. Just move on, and you know, next, what next? Which is, you know, it's perfectly fine. That's the way the generation is thinking, and why not? But this is the way we are going. You know, your computer doesn't open within 2 seconds. You want to throw it away. A window doesn't open and say, hey, this is too slow. Get me more Mbps or whatever it is that the technology is. I think this is the way that we think. And when we think like this in our technological gadgets, our minds also are attuned to that, you know.
And it feeds into our everyday life.
Absolutely. Right now, I'm thinking that, you know, I'm really talking a hell of a lot in front of you. I should give you an opportunity to ask me the next question. But that's how it's become, really.
You're already judging your own self.
Absolutely. I'm judging the whole program. I'm saying, you know, somebody's going to watch it. Okay, yeah, shut up, old man. Let the lady
get
talk.
on with it.